Stocked up with delicious treats. Open sign is in good working order. All we need now are customers. Welcome to Winston's Bakery. How can I help you?
I'm looking for an art supply store. Sorry to bug.
Wait! How about a free sample? I mean, as long as you're here. I call those Winston Goes Bananas, on account of their banana flavored.
Super duper yum! I want to buy like 100 cupcakes, but I don't have any money. I don't suppose you do a trade.
Cash is preferred, but what do you have in mind?
You need customers, and I need those banana cupcakes. So I will transform this boring wall into an amazing mural that absolutely every squish must take a picture with. And you give me some sweet treats in exchange.
Why will Squishmallows want to take a picture with this mural so badly?
Squishagram, pics and clicks, hello?
Hello? I don't know too much about that stuff, but okay, let's give it a shot.
Great, I'll go get my paints. Hey, you don't know if there's an art store around here, do you? I still need a paintbrush. This will be my greatest creation.
Oh!
I call it Mr. Cupcake. Snap a quick pic.
Say squishagram! Camilla, you have more than earned your cupcakes.
I so have.
Lola, Fifi, Cameron, so nice of you all to come for a visit.
Right. We're here to see you.
Huh?
I should go see what Lola's up to.
You're here to see Mr. Cupcake, aren't you?
Maybe. Yes.
Go ahead.
I'm home! Well, this is a fun birthday surprise. Cammy, have you been baking?
Frosting.
Cameron!
Hey, Fifi, you're home early. I know, this looks bad, but I made you birthday cupcakes. I tried to, but then I ate a bunch of frosting and it made me really sleepy, and then I ran out of frosting, and now here we are.
Cam, if you really want to give me a birthday surprise, you can clean up after yourself.
You bet! And I will be right with you after a very quick cat nap. Can you set the cycle to sleep?
Is that a no?
Fifi, what's wrong?
I appreciate that you tried to bake me cupcakes, but I've spent half my birthday cleaning up after you.
I know. I so feel bad about that. And I think I should feel even worse, but I can't remember why.
Jeanne, the clean machine is on the scene.
Oh, that's why. I hired Jeanne to clean the house as your birthday present.
No clean machine?
I'm sorry, Fifi.
That's okay, Cam. I know you were trying to make my birthday better. Luckily, I had a backup plan. A strawberry birthday cake, just in case all this happened.
My favorite!
Jeanne is back on the scene to clean.
It's game night! Squishville game night!
Bring your game face, cause it's playtime.
It's game night!
Competition, friendly friction.
It's game night!
Pizza rolls and guacamole. Oh, this tastes tuna casserole.
Checkers, chess, we'll have a ball.
No matter what, I'll win them all.
It's game night!
But one must win and one must fall. Yeah, what she said. Let's all play Go Fish instead. Do you have any threes?
The suspense is killing me.
Go Fish.
Oh, she did it again.
Fifi, Hannah, take it down a notch.
How about a nice, calm game of hide and seek instead?
Only if it's extreme hide and seek.
Extreme!
This may have been a bad idea. Found you, Lola!
Oh, I wasn't hiding. Just trying on Fifi's clothes. Is this a good color for me?
Gesundheit.
Thanks.
I know you're in the toilet, Cameron.
Nuts.
This is my spot.
I found it first.
I found it first.
Come out, wherever you are!
I don't do tie games.
Should someone tell her we're all done playing?
She'll figure out soon enough.
They'll never find me here.
Hello? I've never loved a hat so much in all my life. Twinkly fabric, gold stitching, what appears to be the feather of some exotic bird. But I could never afford something so glamorous and glitzy.
Tell you what, Fifi. How about I let you borrow the hat for a day? I know you'll take good care of it.
You'd do that for me?
Just promise that whenever someone asks where you got it, you'll tell them Lola's Boutique.
Sure, whatever. Thanks, Lola.
I feel like she didn't hear that last part.
Hello, Fifi. Can I interest you in a croissant? Maybe a tart? Pile of melting chocolate? That one's a mistake and should not be for sale. I apologize.
No, thank you, Winston. Nothing for this fancy lady. Okay, maybe just one. They're all talking about your hat, Fifi. Literally nothing can ruin this moment. Have you seen my hat? Very beautiful fedora with a large exotic cockatiel feather.
Cockatiels aren't exotic.
You're no help.
Ooh, how much for that melted pile of chocolate?
For you, my friend, half price.
Winston, terrible news. I lost my hat.
Oh, was this not my hat? I honestly couldn't remember.
Cameron, it's not your hat, but it does really bring out the pink in your nose.
Thank you.
I can't take the pressure. Wait, can I? No, I thought I could, but I can't. Guess I'm not a hat squishmallow after all.
I'm never gonna sell that hat.
Good morning, Lola.
Hey, Winston. Got anything De-Lola-Licious today?
Not sure what that means, but I did just finish frosting my new spicy mango cupcakes. Wanna try one?
I'm not so sure I like spicy stuff.
First one's on the house.
I love it. You're the bestest baker in all of Squishville. You have to come on my baking show. I bet you could win.
What? You really think so?
Welcome back to De-Lola-Licious. I'm your host, Lola. We're down to our final 3 competitors, Fifi, Cameron, and Winston. But it's up to our judge, Noah, to seal the deal.
I don't get it.
So, Mr. Noah Boa, who is the champion baker?
What's he saying? You know what she's
Winston is the winner!
You did it, Winston!
That was embarrassing.
Let's never speak of this day again.
You can do it, guys! I'll be fine here.
Need help, Cameron?
I could use some help cheering, Danny.
Come on, guys! You can do it! You're a pretty good sport, Cam.
Well, I figured if I couldn't be good at sports, I'd be a good sport.
I like how you think, buddy.
Come on, Cameron. That's it.
Here goes nothing. I'm okay. Hey, found a barely used lollipop.
Squishmallows! Only 10 seconds left in the pie-eating contest.
Oh, man! I'm not even good at pie-eating contests. You got this, Lola. Come on, Winston. That's the boy, Danny. Woohoo!
No luck today, Cameron.
Me? I guess I'm still looking for what I'm best at.
What do you like to do?
I like singing.
Sing us a song!
If you really want me to. I'm the positive one. Yes, I'm the positive one. Sure, I'm not that good, but boy, I had some fun. Is there any question who the worst is? It's me. But when I'm on your cheering squad or fill you up with glee, I'll tell everyone I know that you're the best that you can be. Because I'm the woo-hoo guy.
Hip, hip, hooray!
Wait, don't do that! I'm terrible at gymnastics.
Hey, Fifi.
Yeah, Winston?
Realize I should have brought this up earlier, but what do you expect to find at the top of this very cold, very tall mountain?
I'm so glad you asked. Legend has it that those who reach the peak of Mount Squishmore will discover a secret town in the valley below.
What are the odds they'll have secret hot chocolate?
Or a secret day spa? Ooh, what about a secret massage chair?
Wait, I think I see something.
Well, Fifi's right. Look.
It's even more beautiful than I imagined.
Oh, I feel like I could almost reach out and squish it.
Cameron, be careful. I would like a ticket for that express train as well.
After you, m'lady.
I just had my hair done.
Guess we go that way.
Pardon me, friend. What is the name of this place?
What is the name of this place? You heard him, everyone! Welcome to Squishville. We hope you have fun.
We squish and we squish and we squish till we're done. It's really quite dramatic, cause we're all just so emphatic. Sometimes we sing, sometimes we rap,
And sometimes we just take a nap.
Welcome to Squishville.